frequent visitor of our history at high noon. There we go. If you're a frequent visitor of our history at high noons, I actually did a talk on this guy back in March. George Ware, who was born in Derbyline, Vermont in 1834. He came to Sioux City on December 26, 1855 to open up a branch of his brother's bank. In September 1860, he partnered with John P. Allison, forming the Ware and Allison Bank. This bank lasted for over 40 years, and at one time was the oldest banking firm in Iowa. In 1901, Ware and Allison consolidated with the Iowa State National Bank and later First National Bank. He served on the first city council and was mayor in 1866. This picture was taken when he was mayor. So also buried here, George is right there. Also buried here are his wife, Mary, and two of his children. Susanna Ware, who's right here, was the founder of many different societies in Sioux City, including the Humane Society and the Public Library Association. So she was very active in society. And over there in the far corner, there's a headstone for John H. Nason, who was George Ware's son-in-law, married his second daughter, Catherine Ware. So John Nason died really, really young, but Catherine, who unfortunately is not here, she's buried out in California, Catherine married John Nason, and when he passed away, she took over his livestock commission firm. And she was recognized as the first female livestock dealer in the country. So Catherine Ware, if she was here, has a really, really cool story, but her husband is buried over here in the Ware plot. All right, now not too far.